Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use recurring bills template in QuickBooks Online. It's gonna be very easy and simple video. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account, and then in the main dashboard you can navigate to the all apps here to open all of your available apps. Then you can go to expense and bills and go to bills. Click on it. And then as you can see, this is your bills page. You can see your for review bills, unpaid bill, paid bill, and recurring bills. So in order to use the template, you can go to this button, click the drop down, and click manage recurring bills. And then you will see your recurring transactions. And I have two templates here. So the first one is monthly building a list, and the second one is telephone bill. So let's say I want to use this telephone bill template. So I am gonna click this drop down in action option, and then there is option to click use. So you can click on it, and now you can use this template as you want. So maybe you want to change the vendors, and then maybe you want to change the amount, something like that. And also you can upload the file of the bills or snap photos here, and it will automatically fill this form. Also you can add the memo here and the attachment, and if you think all alright, you can just click save and schedule payment, and it's done. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.